Let's go. Who there, guys? Like up the video so we can begin. Alright, guys. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yo, majority of people say YouTube, so I'm left on YouTube. Let's go then. Ready, guys, ready. Lock off the bag of knives. So guys, Mr. Kerwin do a prediction. I could cover them topic them. I don't want to take it for granted, you know. Guys, as you come on, just go and like the video and share the video so more people can come on. Alright, let's go. First one, guys, for your paper, expect a fraction. Let's try this one. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Guys, one person like the video so far, you know, man. What we not going with? Like it, man. Make more people can come on. Let's go, let's go. You know, too late for revise, you know. You can watch it a morning, guys. Watch it a morning. Alright? That's how the thing said, that's how the thing said. What's the answer for that? Let's go, let's go. Interaction time. What a go on, Lataya? No, Leila. Leila, love. What a go on? Let's go, let's go. We have 3.5 times 2/3 divided by 3/4. What's the answer for that, guys? Thirty seconds to solution. We are warm up. Guys, you have covered the topics them. We add the cover. Hope you guys enjoy the premiere them also. Shakira Diaz. So wait. Alright, go ahead, go ahead. Guys, you work with speed too, you know. Hope you guys eat some food, take a fresh, and get a long sleeping idea, guys. Long sleep today. That's how tired I was. So even though my mind up on YouTube, I was sleeping in my bed. How do we approach this? Welcome to the new subscribers. Guys, remember to share it so more people can come on and we share our energy, right? Let's go, let's go. 30 seconds to solution. What's the answer? What you guys got? Suppose this was the first question on your paper. Would you guys be able to get all full marks? Alright, good night, guys. Good night. Alright, so we have 3.5 times 2/3 divided by 3/4. Alright, good night, guys. Good night. Alright, so we have 3.5 times. They want you the quality on it. Alright. So we convert the top first, right? So 3 times 2, that's 6 plus 1, 7 over 2 times 2/3. So we can cancel the top, right? Once it's multiplication, we can cancel like that. So the top work out to 7 over 3 divided by 3 over 4. The line mean divide, right? Once we're dividing, we know what we're supposed to do. So it's 7 over 3 times 4 over 3. And then now we can take it from there. 7 times 4, 28 over 3 is 9. And then now we can say how many groups of 9 we can get out of that. 9 threes is 27, so that's 3 and 1 over 9. And that would be our answer. So our first question will be a fraction. Alright? So one more, guys. Let's see if you guys are able to get this one. I'm going to give you a little bit more time. Guys, when you like up the video now, so more people can come on. From morning, if you come on in about you don't know the energy go. Try to do as much as you can today, right? Try this one. 2.5 divided by 2/5 divided by 2/3. Let's go, guys. What's the answer? Somebody saying calculator dumb. No, man, your calculator not dumb, man. Your calculator not dumb. Alright, what's the answer? 2.5 divided by 2/5 divided by 2/3. 3.7. Alright. Yeah, build it up, guys. Nobody not like the video. Don't vex with me, guys. When I go on with one, I know it's my favorite thing that we say. 30 seconds to solution. Hope everybody mentally strong and mentally prepared and all of that, alright? So more people are coming on, guys. We're going to shell down tonight. And guys, when you stop saying you cook, we are going to cook the maths exam. Let's go! Feel the energy. We are going to cook the exam, not the exam I cook we. Oh, so much people so nervous. There's nothing to be nervous about. Azara, Lati, what a go on? I'm giving you some more space there, guys. Yeah. Let's go, guys. So we just work the top, right? So it's 2 times 2 plus 1. So this gives us 5 over 2 divided by 2 over 5. You see that cute? Divided by 2/3. Now we know that once we're dividing, we write back the first fraction, which is 5 over 2. We change the division to multiplication, but we have to reciprocate. So this becomes 5 over 2, which gives us 25, 5 times 5, and 2 times 2, which is 4. So the top part works out to 25 over 4, and then now we're going to divide by 2 over 3, which we get 25 over 4 times 3 over 2. Why? We have to reciprocate. Alright? So 25 times 3, that's 75. 2 times 4, 8. So it's 75 over 8. Somebody was saying they got 3. So I'm not sure how they got the 3. 9.3. The 8, 9 are 72. So I agree with the 9.38. Shakira, theirs. Because, guys, think about it. 75 divided by 8, right? 8, 9 are 72. Yeah. So 8 into this goes 9 times. And then 3 over 8. So I agree with that person that said 9 point something. Well done, well done. Leila love, big up, big up. Guys, you know nobody vex with me, man. Like the video, I couldn't come on earlier than this, alright? So many calls I got, I couldn't even answer so many calls, guys. I'm not going to tell you no lie. But we're here now, we're here now. I could do one more fraction and then we step it up, guys. So share to their friends so them can come on. I don't know if nobody else do live, but Skunji, nothing but no cook, man. Nothing but no cook. We are gonna cook the exam. We could cook up CXC. CXC no more than we, guys. No deal. Your first 3 marks are gonna come from fraction, alright? And then standard form, etc. Could do a -1. Try that one, guys. 3.5 minus 2 3/5. Once the answers are flying, you know. To all my loyal fans and something. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. I believe in you, guys. Let's go. Alright, so concentration, guys. If you make a mistake another one, then don't worry about it. Concentration now, alright? Interaction. So type in the comment section. Shakira Diaz, what a go on? Jada, what them something for? What them tears for? Is it tears of joy? Guys, you have to relax in the exam, you know. We can't feel. Alright, Skunji said 27 over 20. Tiara Hamilton say 1 and 7 over 20, which is the same thing basically. Alright. So see more people like the video. Yeah, man, I like it, guys. I like it. We'll do some work. Work we are work and chicken we are jerk. So guys, we're gonna do it topic by topic. Kerwin predicted some topics. We'll do them topics, you know. To be honest, I covered all of those topics with my students except for probably bearings. For some reason I didn't do bearings this year. I'm not sure why. But we did some of the questions though. Very close to bearings. Yeah, man, I put my prayer phone in, man. I want to answer, man. Guys, every day I pray phone, you know. I always pray phone to find my channel. I know say I will work go on funny. So we have 3 times 2, that's 6 plus 1, 7 over 2. Check if you have that. Put your minus. 2 times 5, that's 10. Plus 3, that's 13 over 5. Once you add in and subtracting, we have to find the common denominator, which is, in this case, is 10. 10 is the lowest number, 2 and 5 can go into without a remainder. 2 into 10, that's 5 times. So 7 times 5, 35. Go back to minus. 5 into 10, that's 2 times. So we multiply 13 by 2, which gives us 26. Long story short, it's come to 9 over 10. So it's 9 over 10 divided by 2 over 3. We know what the rule says. Everybody should be able to get all 3 marks. We did 3 of these already, right? So write back the first fraction, change to multiplication, and then we reciprocate. So 9 3s, 27. And of course, as you guys do, 1 and 7 over 20. You guys are awesome. Good job. Number of persons got that. Somebody saying you can't see both clearly. What? Hold on. I don't know what's going on, guys. Normally, that's never an issue with me. People still say one more? Alright. So I come back here long, I could do one more. But guys, this is the last one. Now, 4 is not now, guys. What am I going with? I can make this one be a plus, alright? One and 1/5 plus 1 and 1/3. And guys, we have to know the ones where we have the divide and addition and multiplication. The Bundas rule applied to those. Alright, somebody said they got it. Alright, somebody said go slow. Skunji saying can't see. I don't understand that, Skunji. And if the lens one clean. The internet up in guys. I don't know what's going on. Alright, hold on. Oh, I'm sure what's going on. Hold on. An expensive tripod this guys. Yeah man, let's see what you guys are talking now. So it's 1 and 1/3, 1 and 1/5 plus 1 and 1/3 divided by 2.5. Alright, respect for that, guys. Oh, happy Mother's Day to all you mothers. And happy Mother's Day to your mother. After this, guys, we do some algebra. Let's go. Tonight, me now go my bed tonight, you know. I see 2 and 5 over 6. I see 15 over 4. Let's go. Let's see if we can finish it, guys, in the time given. 1 and 1 over 75. I see 76 over 75. So a number of persons got that. And guys, stop worrying about the topics where you're not so strong on. Focus on getting maximum marks and the ones that you're strong on. And we're going to do factorization. We did not get to do that. We did that on TikTok this morning. And persons were struggling. So I think I really need to review that. So we have 1 plus 1, that's 2. And then we add the 1/5 plus the 1/3. So the LCM would be 15. The lowest number 5 and 3 can go into. 5 into 15 3 times. So we multiply 1 by 3. 3 into 15 5 times. We multiply by 5. So this becomes 8 over 15 plus the big number 2. We could convert it. 2 times 15, that's 30 plus 8. So we have 38 over 15. Put your divide first. 2 2's 4 and 1, 5 over 2. We know what to do from here, guys, right? We write back the first fraction, which is 38 over 15 times, and then we reciprocate the last fraction, which is 2 over 5. So somebody was saying they got 76 over 75. I'm going to agree with those persons. 2 times this, 76, 5 times that, 75. Or we can say 1 into that, 75 into that goes 1 time and remain at 1. Now could look on some algebra now, guys. 5 fraction that we do. So you guys can watch it play back. Look at addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And remember the order matters when it comes to the ones them when them give you the ones set up like the Bundas rule way. Division first, well bracket first, bracket and power first, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Where the things where you're supposed to know and can get 3 marks from. Everybody should be able to solve these equations. What's the value of x, guys? Let's go, let's go. Somebody said them still can't see the screen. Guys, I'm not sure why that's not. Oh, guys, it's up. It's just algebra. You shouldn't write up this one. Hold on. It's just algebra put. So somebody who come on, they can know that we're doing algebra. Yes, I full up the winner, guys. Let's go, let's go. More energy, more energy. Somebody say x at 27. Yeah, we could do that one too, you know, but I just add the whole numbers. Because 1 plus 1 gives you 2. So it's 3 bracket x minus 5 is equal to 2x plus 6. What's the value of x? So Kojo and Taya said 27. Simone Thompson also said 27. So I convince her 27, you know, because babe 27, I see Lataya row. So 27 as well. How do we deal with these guys? Layla Love said 27. JJ series. Everybody says. Tasha and Francis said 27 as well. If I hear my voice on the way, guys, I eat one orange because I just wake up. Skunji, 27, I need energy. Because we're going to do some work. Alright, so we expand our bracket. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times negative 5, negative 15. Expand again. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times 6, 12. We need to group the like terms, so we have 3x. This is a positive, so we're going to subtract 2x from this side. And then this is minus, so we add 15 to both sides. Alright. So 3 minus 2, that's 1x. And that gives us 27. Good job. Alright, there was this question that I got from a student today. She said I must check it, but guys, may I tell you the truth, I did not get to check it. My phone was ringing non-stop. Yes, Shakira, correct. So let me just find that question, guys, that she posted and see if we can find it. She should be on the live as well. Please let me find it. I get so many messages. The message pushed on already. I think it was Christina. Alright. So this is the question, guys. Let's see if we are able to solve this one. Christina, big up yourself. We never get to look on it. I'm telling you true. I'm still not look on it. Find the value of x. What's the value of x, guys? Let me see what she had got. 3. Alright. Remember to share it, guys. So somebody who might be struggling, they can come on and learn something. Alright, so I say x equal 3, I say x equal 3 over 10. Alright, Alexandra said go slow. Guys, even though I go a little bit fast at times, I explain every step. Alright, somebody say 1. I haven't worked it out yet, guys. But we're going to work it out together. Alright? So what we need to do, we need to find the LCM, right? The product is the LCM. Let me see, 4.8. Alright, the person had gotten 3, so let me just see. So what we do, guys, we're going to multiply throughout by the LCM. Now, the LCM is the product of this, right? So we're going to multiply by 2x minus 6. So we can write the LCM. So 2x minus 6 times x. So it's like we're going to say this into this. This is going to leave x, right? So we have x here, and 4 times x, 4x. It's not really necessary, you know, I'm just showing you this step. Alright, we have x into this. This is going to leave 2x minus 6. Why we do this, guys? We want to get rid of the denominator. So we're going to expand our bracket just like what we did a while ago. 3 times 2x, that is 6x. 3 times negative 6, negative 18. And then we're gonna do the same. 1 into this, give you all of this. But guess what? When you multiply it by 0, you're going to automatically get 0. So this equal to 0. Alright? And if you cross multiply, so it's just the equation on the top, really, we're going to be working with. Alright, let's go. You see somebody get 4.8. I'm tempted to think that is probably that. So we have 4x plus 6. That's going to give us 10x minus 18 equals 0. And then now we transpose. We get rid of this negative by carrying positive. So 10x equals positive 18. And then now we divide by 10. So why may I get 1.8 and you guys get 3? I'm getting 1.8, guys. Let me just step back. Scungy got the 18 over 10 too. Taya got Gaming King say something wrong. Gaming wrong. Oh, I'm thinking 1.8 though, based off of the so you're gonna divide this x are gonna leave 4 times x, 4x. Then you're gonna get x into this. That's gonna give you 2x minus 6. 3, 2, 6, yeah. And 3 times negative 6, negative 18. Yeah, man. I'm agreeing with the 1.8. I think it's 1.8. Alright. Simone says she got it as well. Alright. A lot of people got that. Sklung, sklung, sklung. We're ready for exam, guys. We're ready for exam. Hype up yourself. You get it right. Big up yourself. That's one of the hardest one you can get, right? Let's be realistic. We can also get these type. Good job, guys. Good job. That is it. That is it, you know. That is it. We can also get these where people afraid of so much. We could start off easy with that one here. Remember, we are going to do everything tonight, you know, guys. We're not going to bed left me. I mean, I left you know. While I was sleeping, my tablet was charging. Find the value of x, find the value of y. While I was sleeping, my tablet was charging. Yes, circle theorem. People are asking circle theorem, even though I have the circle theorem playlist. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to go through the circle theorem rules. So probably we're not do the question because there's so many questions I have on my channel. But I think I need to go. I need to go and get that one. Somebody said they don't understand. Alright, I could do one after this. So many people got that correct. I could have seriously said it easy. Alright, we can do one more after this, guys. Let's go, let's go. Solve a simultaneous equation. Somebody said vector algebra. I just post a video on vector algebra, you know, guys. When you now watch a video, them, you know, and bearings too. One thing with me, guys, me not like the check the playlist. See up on the playlist, man. Shamar say any Guyanese in the chat. Shakira Diaz, you ready, man? Tomorrow when time you're going to exam, you're going to realize you're ready. And that's, you know, guys, you put in the work, but you don't really believe in yourself yet, right? I just like an athlete a run on the track. So, them a run, but them not record the time. You just a run and train. When them start running against some other people now, I blaze them a blaze. Oh, Mexico. Alright, big up from Mexico. Stress out, man. If it's stress out. What's the value of x, guys? What's the value of x? And what's the value of y? Y is 5, x is 4. Alright, let's go. So guys, these are the easy type, right? Because if you look closely, you can see that you have plus and plus, minus, right? The coefficients are the same. If we add, we automatically get rid of y. So if you add this, y go to 0, right? So if we add, we have to add the entire equation. 2x plus 3x, that's 5x. And then 9 plus 1, 10. So why may I get x at 2? And somebody say 5. Well, go on. What we are doing wrong, guys? X at 2, and it was pretty straightforward. So x is 2, so I could put 2 in the equation now. So we have 2x plus y equal 9. Because you know x is 2, we're going to put 2 right here. Plus y equal 9. 2 2s 4 plus y equal 9. Oh, me see why I get the 5 now. So you subtract 4 from both sides, so it's 9 minus 4. So it's actually y is 5. Alright, good job, good job. So you see guys, we're not so bad, we're not so bad. We just need to keep our composure and we will be fine. So guys, somebody requested one more of the one that we did a while ago. So let us do one another. Matrices and vectors, yeah man, we can. Guys, you want to understand, you know, me have playlists with them there. When we basically do all of the past paper them with them there. So it's like when you now watch them there, I don't want me to draw upon this. When you can actually see the past paper and so forth. And on the live alone, you can learn from, you know, guys. That's what you don't get. And on the live alone, you can learn from. Alright, one more. The videos are there, guys, with the past paper. We have circle theorem playlist. We have YouTube. We have matrices. We have vectors. Everything on that type out. It did already. But you guys just have to find the time and go through video and practice them by yourself. Should I come and give you the time to do them here? So you have to do it from it. Tajay say if you're not ready. I think you're ready, Tajay. Even today alone, guys, the amount of gaming king. Yeah man. These normally come at number 2. These are number 2. Number 1 are fraction, standard form, decimal, rounding off, significant figures, all of those. And guys, all of those videos are there as well. Where we compile certain topics like circle theorem, we compile and do all of them. Vectors, the puzzle, where you normally get a number 7 and 8. Functions, everything is there, guys. We not ask for it, but I'm saying it's already there. Alright, somebody say I love these. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we just have to keep working, guys. Of course, we are going to do factorization, matrices as well. But the vectors, guys, it's hard to draw, plus then come with writing. So those are, we do the actual past paper where you can see the question and them say 3 to 2 and you show the arrow and all of them things there. Paris, what go on? Big up, man, big up. Alright, Skundi say x are 1/3. Nobody not finish yet. And guys, I want to stop worry about the topics so you don't fully get, but focus on the ones where you think you can get full marks on. At this point, you're trying to learn a bag of new nothing because it's not going to stick. But revise all of the simpler topics them we go through already. So whatever come, you should be able to answer on those and get full marks. That's the approach we are going to take. What you guys got for X? Oh, I did post it on my TikTok and my status and said which one should I go, TikTok or YouTube? And most persons said YouTube. Alright, let's go. So guys, no one is able to get this and we are worrying about other topics. Focus on this no guys, and this with the point. That's one thing I realize with students. You guys are worried about this, worried about that, instead of focusing on learning whatever is being presented. Make it go on, man. So I'm going to multiply this one. I'm going to go get rid of y. So I'm going to multiply this one by 2 and this one by 1. Because I want to get 4y in front of both of them. If we should break down this, both of them would be 2, 1, right? So if I break down this, I get 2, 1. Alright, let's go. So I'm going to multiply everything by 2. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 2y, 4y. 2 times 3, 6. And then we multiply everything by 1. 1 times that, 18x. 1 times that, negative 4y. Notice we get the same number in front of this. That is the purpose of doing all of that. So we're going to add now, guys. We're going to add to get rid of the y. If we add, we automatically get rid of y. So we have 12 plus 18, that is 30x. I did see somebody say is 1/3 of the answer. So it's 30x equals 6 plus 4, 10. So now we can divide by 30. So that's 1/3. Or if you prefer decimal, guys, just work with the 0.3. You can work with the 0.3. And most people prefer decimal. Nothing is wrong with that. So when I get to 0.3, you plug in that in the formula now. I'm going to use the one that says 6x plus 2y equal 3. We know that x is 0.3, so we put it right there. And this now is 2y equal 3. What is 6? That's going to give you 1.8. 6 3 is 18. 8 carry the 1. 6 0 0. So this is 1.8 plus 2y equal to 3. So we're going to transpose now. We're going to get rid of the positive 1.8 by subtracting 3. That from 3. So 2y equal 3 minus 1.8, which gives us 1.2. And then we divide 2 into 1.2, which gives us 0.6. So y is 0.6, while x is 0.3. You can see it there, so you know. Yeah. That's how I say 0.5. That's how why I use 1, if you break down 2 and 4, it's the same ratio as 1 to 2. So once it's proportional, it can work. I could have multiplied by 2 and 4 also, but I just choose the easier route. Alright? Somebody said them lost. No man, you can use 4 and 2 and you still get the same answer. But I use 1 and 2 because if you break down 4 and 2, you're gonna get the same answer. Alright? Oh, remember them maths here. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I revise if you revise, guys. We're supposed to touch every little thing, alright? Can't spend a one time on some of them, but we're supposed to touch every little thing. What's the answer for that? 2x cubed times 3x to the 4th. Dijon, look how much of them that we do in a class. Can't believe you're afraid of them. Look how much of them we do. The vectors and matrices them there. And circle theorem. Look how much of them that we do, Dijon. You can't be scared of them, man. Just calm down. Because we can't draw up on the board. We can't draw the vectors. We can do some matrices, but we can't draw the vectors them. Because them they have writing. You don't have space. But them they on the videos them. Everybody are fret, guys. There's no need to fret. I'm a student them when we go through so much things with. I fret. What's up with that, guys? Alright, so we have 2 times 3, that is 6. I'll add the power, so we'll add 3 plus 4, which gives us 6x to the 7th. Most persons weren't able to get that. Alright, that was the warm-up, guys. Let's look at some tougher ones now. No, man, we not depend from paper 1. We're brighter than that, guys. We're brighter than paper 1. Paper 2 are the thing. If you want to get 1, paper 2 are the thing, alright? What's the answer for this, guys? 4x to the 5th, y to the minus 3, times 2x to the negative 1, y squared. I want to see the same answers like how we did the one that while ago. That was good. That was good. Somebody said check my message. Alright. Functions like what we did today. Alright, alright. Alright, let's go, let's go. So guys, what do we do when it's negative? Let's go. So we have 4 times 2. This is how we do it. We group them, right? X to the 5th plus minus 1, right? Because add we're supposed to add, and then we have y to the negative 3 plus 2. Look if I did that. So you should get 4 2's 8. 5 plus minus 1, this becomes minus 1. So this is x to the 4th. I did see that. And then y to the minus 1. How many persons got that as their answer? 8x to the 4th, y to the negative 1. I know Lele Love got it. I didn't see the 4 though. Oh yeah, yeah. Kelvin said move on, me understand. Guys, I know so much, we can just run on like we are panic and panic. What about this one, guys? Let's see who can get this one correct. 6x to the 3rd, y to the 2nd, divided by 2x to the 4th, y to the minus 3. Udaya, what a go on? Big up, Udaya, big up. You know the Jamaican talk. Big up, man. Bad girl Rose says she still not understand. No, sir. This one can be a little bit tricky, guys. Let's see. 3x to the negative 1, y to the 1. We see 3x to the 1, that's addition, y to the 5th. We see 3x to the minus 1. Alright. That's how you say 3x to the 7, y to the minus 1. Fazlan, so 3x to the 1, y to the 5. Let's go, let's go. Alright. So guys, we're dividing first. So we're going to divide 6 by 2. That's the first step. When we're dividing, we're supposed to subtract. So it's 3 minus 4. Right? Division, we subtract. When it's multiplication, we add. So this one is the tricky part. We have y to the 2 minus 3. So Dijon, it look like you did right, you know. So we have 6 divided by 2, which is 3. X to the minus 1, because 3 take away 4, that's 1. This is going to become plus, guys. So you see, guys, while you are worried about other topics, we have some topics so we are so versatile fun. We can come at section 1. That girl, this is a sir, me first finish. Yeah, man, big up, big up. So, guys, one more of this and then we move on. One more. Let's see if everybody can get it. What if CXC give us something like this? I've seen a past paper like this. Let's see if we can figure out that, guys. 2x to the 3rd times 3x to the 4th. Everybody has said them cook. Guys, you don't know cook, you know? You just have to just relax and do anything. You don't know cook, man. You don't know cook. We see x to the power of 15, x to the power of 15, x to the minus 1. Alright. X to the 12, x to the negative 1, x to the 15, that's Taj. Grant say x to the minus 1, Taji say x to the negative 1. Alright. But you say other here, x to the minus 1. Let's see. Remember what the rule says, guys. Remember what the rule says. When you're dividing, what we're supposed to do. Yeah, they care about the workout, guys. They care about the workout. Alright, let's go. So we multiply normally, so 2 times 3, that is 6. We add the powers once we multiply, so we have x to the 7, and this is where it gets a little bit spooky. Remember, 6 divided by 6, that's 1. X to the 7th, we're dividing, guys. When we're dividing, what do? We subtract. So we minus 8. You have to put the subtract there. So this becomes x to the 7 plus 8, which is x to the 15. So it's not minus 1 or positive 1, but x to the 15th. So guys, while we're worried about other topics, we have to still capitalize on these things. Yeah, Dijon. Can you guys factorize? Do you guys know the difference of 2 square and all of these things? Factorize this, guys. Topic by topic we are take them on, you know. Topic by topic. Factorize this. 4x squared minus 1. Let's go. The maths paper no leak, man. Nothing no go so. I'm not the first man hear that. You're the first person to say that. Alright. O'Neill and Mason say I have little more confidence. I like that. I like that. 10 cents says 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1. That is it. That is it. Reese Mohammed, one go on. And that means I say, I don't want to meet the paper, guys, because that I'm more stressed. My first time I say, oh, do paper 1 and then you have to get 80% to get a 3. I don't depend on that. Difference of 2 square, yes, Zane. Alright, guys, so this one is very easy. 3 marks. How we do? Once it's a factorized, we find the square root of this. So what number we multiply by itself to give us 4x squared? That would be 2x, right? And then this would be 1 times 1, that gives us the 1. So if we take 1 on either side, we have 2x and 2x. 1 should be plus and 1 should be minus. Very good, very good. So these are what we call 3 marks. Once I get these, guys, everybody is expected to get full marks from these. Let's go, let's go. One more. And then we move on to the other type, which is the ABC method that gets a lot of people out. I don't know why. 4x squared minus 25. Let's put in some work, guys. Don't watch nothing. Don't watch a crowd, watch a seal. Let's go, guys. Remember to share the live. Remember to like the live so more people can come on. No selfish thing, guys. No selfish thing. Work we are work and a chicken we are jerk. We're going to there for a while. Those who know you can wake up early if you go to bed late, stay with me. If you know say 10 o'clock are your bed hours, you can go 10 o'clock, alright? But let us stay and do some work, guys. Let us stay and do some work. We could cover the syllabus. So we're on factorization now. Let's move on. Alright, so difference of 2 square, as Zane put in the comment section. So we find what number multiplied by itself give us 49, that's 7x, right? What number multiplied by itself give us 25, that can only be 5. 1 on either side, so we have 7x, 7x. 1 should be plus, 1 should be minus. 3 marks in the examination. What you guys think? These are 3 marks? I think it's 3 marks, guys. Alright, let's do some from the Great Man book. Kerwin Springer himself. These are the ones that give the most trouble. I could tackle them, guys. I could tackle them. So if CXC, bring them. Oh, guys, one thing that I want to do as well is write it in the form. I was showing my class today. Unfortunately, I did not go through that in regular class. I think I did it at the high school, but I didn't do it with my class. So I'm going to be looking at that, writing in the form. Big up Elam. Alright, somebody say from morning them are watching marathon. Yeah man, big up, thanks for that, thanks for the support. No man, me know someone can't see up here, guys. Me just put it to remember the topics them that we should go through. So writing in the form, that's one. Somebody say functions. Matrices, that's a must. and the circle theorem. A lot of people asking for circle theorem. Guys, there's a circle theorem playlist, where everything draw proper and everything explained. Circle theorem is probably that's my favorite topic in maths. Alright. So somebody says subscribe. Guys, nobody don't have to tell us to subscribe. You know say subscribe, because guess what? A morning we are the more work again a morning, for those who can wait, This live a morning I will go straight up until exam. Yeah, we did some graph today as well. Can you guys factorize this? Guys, as I wake up, I start. I hardly go sleep today because I will be nervous when exam time come and come here do exam. So as I wake up tomorrow, I come on. Are you guys able to factorize this successfully? Let's go, let's go. Alright, so let me say x minus 1, 2x plus 3. Somebody say I'm cooked. Guys, where will come? Guys, why we now always I use that term about when you cook? Alright, so we label it ABC. First, we're going to multiply 2 times 6, right? So it's 2x squared times negative 6. So clearly we can see that's going to be negative 12x squared. So what we need to do, we need to list all the factors of 12. Factors mean numbers that can multiply to give you 12. So you know that we have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. So somebody type in the comment section which one of them can give you 1. Whether you add it and you get the difference of 1. Is it 1 and 12? Is it 2 and 6? Or is it 3 and 4? 3 and 4. Alright. Big up yourself. And see Skunji said negative 4, which is very important. Very good, Skunji. Alright. So the 4 has to be negative because this is supposed to get negative 1. So it's 2x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 6. Notice the value of this is minus 1. So you put your bracket. And then now you take out the highest common factor. In this case it will be 2. 2 is the highest number that can go into 2 and 4. And you put out the x. Then you divide now 2x squared into that, leave x. 2x into minus 4x, leave minus 2. Let me show you that step there. 4x divided by positive 2x, right? 2 into itself 1, 2 into this 2, x cancels x. So you get your minus 2. Next, what's the highest number that can go into 3 and 6 without a remainder? 3 and 6. Definitely 3, right? So what we do, we take out our plus 3 and then we divide 3x by 3, which leave x. Negative 6 divided by 3, that leave negative 2. Notice we get negative 2 here and negative 2 there. Negative 2 everywhere. So we take it out because that is common. And then we take out whatever. 2x plus 3. And this is what is outside the bracket. Tell me if you're not learning now, guys. Come on, we do one more. Tell me if you're not learning. Time early. Make sure you take on a vitamin. Alright, how we get the negative 2x, 12x, and multiply 2x squared times negative 6. Because it's supposed to be A multiplied by C. Alright, So after we get this, and we get the negative 12x, we list all the factors of 12 because we're trying to get this one right here, the negative 1. And that is basically it. Alright? Yeah. Jelly say, what the WTF? Somebody say me can't bother. Somebody say me cook. Guys, when you understand that, this morning on TikTok, students that said that I spend 1 hour with them and they were able to get it. I send them people over here now, so they must there right now. I could look on one more. I do what I do on TikTok to make them get it. I could start from the basic. That's what I do. I could set an easy one. Alright. Factorize that, guys. Let's see. I'm gonna, like how it's so easy, I'm gonna give you guys 2 minutes and then I'll do the solution. Let's go. Hopefully everybody can get it from what I'm going to do. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Grade 1 loading, guys. Grade 1 loading. We're going to enjoy the paper tomorrow. In Jesus' name. Yeah, man. Me want to get it over with too. Yeah, man, in Jesus' name. Who said paper 2 got leaked? Everybody has said that. No, don't do me that, guys. Don't do me that. All of the hard work we are put in. No, man. Who no hear that from, guys? Because I second person type that. Who no hear that from? Could you want to do some work, man? We're not fret about that. What you guys got for the answer? X plus 5 and what? X plus 2? That are when love? Like them I tell. I agree. Next time, I don't know what I succeed something then. What next time I say? Why find that? Ready. So we have A, B, C. And then we have A times C, which is x squared times 10. Right? So x times 10, that's going to give us 10x squared. Now we need to list all the factors of 10. So it's when you get the product, you list the factors of it. So it's 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. Which one of these can give you 7? Look at it. Either 1 or 10 and 2 and 5. Alright. It's going to be 2 and 5, right? So we have x squared plus 2x plus 5x. Because look, when you add this, we get back the 7. And then we take out the highest common factor, which is x this time. X into x squared, leave x. X into 2x, leave 2. Because the x is going to cancel itself. If we go back with plus, what's the highest number that can go into 5 and 10 without a remainder? The factors of 10 are 1 and 5, right? What are the factors of 10? 1, 2, and 5, and 10. So 5 would be the highest number. So we take out to 5, and then we divide. 5 into 5x, that's going to leave x. 10 divided by 5, that leave 2. Once you see you get this, guys, you know so you're good enough. You fry CXC. Not CXC cook you are going to cook it. So x plus 2 would be the first one. And then what is outside, which is x plus 5. Tell me so you don't understand. Let me check the comment section and see what I go on. Alright, somebody say yes. Me like that, me like that. Big up Prerna Williams. Alright, let's run the maths. Let's run the maths. One more, guys. One more. And then we can go back to the more difficult ones. And then we can move on to the functions and then the matrices. Alright? Let's see if we can get that one here, guys. 3x squared plus 11x plus 10. 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. 7:47. So we done that 2:49. Let's go. Work, we are work. Work, we are work. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Work, we work in here. Work, we work in here. No have no time for the joking. 1 more minute to solution, guys. See if we can complete it in that time. Let's go. Big up whichever Caribbean country you are from, whether Jamaica, Trinidad, Barbados, St. Lucia. Represent your country, guys. Belize, Cayman Islands, Grenada, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Saba. Anywhere you are from, just know say I love and respect from me. Road to 30K, guys. Road to 30K. Let's go. We go from Grenada too. Yeah, man. Anywhere you're from. Time, guys. Time. Let's go. More and more people. Oh, yes, St. Kitts. Big up, big up. Yeah, man. Guyana, Jamaica. Anywhere you're there, guys. Big up. Much love. All the best in your exam. You know, so one Caribbean. Alright, so we label it ABC. The 2 minutes up, guys. And then we multiply 3x squared times 10. We like how people are getting it now, you know. So we have 30x squared as our product. We multiply to get the factors. 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, and 5 times 6. Which one can give you 11? Definitely 5 and 6, right? So what we do, we replace 11x with that. So we have 3x squared plus 5x plus 6x plus 10. And we bracket off all of the terms them. And then we're going to take out the highest common factor. If you look at this, guys, there's no number that can go into 3 and 5 without a remainder except for 1. So what we do, we take out the 1x because 1x is common. So we have our 1x and then we divide. 1x into that, leave 3x. 1x into 5x, leave 5. Next bracket, what's the highest number that can go into 6 and 10? Let me show you that little step there. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, and 3 along with 6. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. So clearly we can see 2 is the highest number that is common to both of them. Like the intersection. Alright? So now we're going to take out 2. 2 into 6x, that's 3x. 2 into 10, 5 times. You see how easy it is, guys? The 3x plus 5 is common to both. So we take out the 3x plus 5 and then x plus 2. Can we do it now with the negative involved? Are we able to do it with the negative involved? Let's go. Three minutes to do this one, like one negative. Let's go. Factorize that one. 2x squared minus x minus 10. Two minutes to go, guys. Just go. If you're just joining, remember to like the live, guys. So YouTube can recommend it to somebody. One more minute, guys. Let's go. Let's go. All right, solution time. Let's go. Let's go. Time up. So x minus 2, 2x minus 5, 2x minus 5, x plus 2. All right, let's go. That's a times c, and we have 2x squared times negative 10, which gives us negative 20x squared. We're going to list all the factors of 20. So it's 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 4 times 5. Which one can give us negative 1? Has to be 4 and 5, right? Remember, we must set them in such a way that we get negative 1. So it's going to be 2x squared. The 5 has to be negative. Why? 5 plus 4 equal negative 1. If we use the 4 as negative, we get positive 1. So we can't use this one. It has to be negative 1. So the bigger term has to be negative. You can put the minus 5x up front, plus 4x minus 10. Doesn't matter where you put it really. Alright, put this now, just as students struggle with the negative here, so we just put it inside. What's the highest number that can go into 2 and 5? That's definitely 1. So we take out to 1, x is common. 1x into that leave 2x. 1x into 5x. Negative 5x leave negative 5. X cancel x. Put back a plus. What's the highest number that can go into 4 and 10 without a remainder? Has to be 2, right? 2 can go into that. So 2 into that leave 2x. 2 into negative 10, negative 5. Guys, you must get these at both of them. That's all you have to remember. You get that for both of them. So it's 2x minus 5 and x plus 2. So somebody add x minus 2 and 2x plus 5. Correct that. Correct that. Look where you went wrong. You went wrong because you either put the other one for negative. You probably put the 4 as negative. So guys, you have to get the right thing, alright? Because when you use 2, 2 is the highest number that can go into 4 and 10 without a remainder. Let me show you. So you list the factors of 4, right? It'll be 1, 2, and 4. This is how we're doing. So when you learn at primary school, list the factors of 10, 1, 2, 5, and 10. What's the highest number that is common? 2. So it's really the highest common factor we take, you know. I've been saying it, but it's better when I show you like that. So it's the highest common factor we take out at all times. Somebody say I got it. The last one is now, guys. And then we move on to the functions. Matrices after the function. Let's see if everybody can get this one. No joke. Factorize this. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Work where you work and a chicken where you jerk. Big up wherever you are from. Big up your parents. Big up your mother. Happy Mother's Day to all our mothers. Tuggies. Send John late again. Me late but me reach. World dog style. Alright, Dylan. Big up, man. Big up from Antigua and Bermuda. Image, so we got that already. Alright, big up, man. You can't get it too much time, you know. You don't have to see it on somebody live. Antigua, big up, man. Much love. Trinidad, much love in the building. Big up Abigail, where go on? You just come. Guys, we can't wait to celebrate with you. Nervan from Trinidad, big up. Jay from Germany. Tyrese. Which flag that again, Tyrese? Kelvin Collins, Guyana. Big up, man, big up. Somebody say paper league for real. St. Vincent. Nevis, alright, alright. Somebody say from Dubai, big up, rich place. Oh, Barbados. Me teach students from basically all of them country already in my lifetime. Especially Dubai. Yeah, they're studying for math tomorrow. Tashika Clark, Jamaica, big up. That's where me from, 876, yeah. Antigua. Yo, the whole Caribbean there, man. Big up, guys. USA paper leak and here. I feel leak, I'm gonna get that. I first news that to me. Oh, somebody sent a paper on a leak. And somebody said from China. Raven West. Big up from China. Yeah. Awesome country of technology. Paper trees when you don't do SBA, guys. Guys, I could stop spread negative lies about paper leak. Dominica, big up from Dominica as well. Guys, you know, I can't wait to celebrate to do now. When you come back and put the comment and say, boy, sir, I did a fret, but I pass. That is it, guys. That is it. No paper can't leak, guys. After paper leak last year, that can't happen again, ever. Although I same thing me that said last year, so it can't happen. Guyana again. And people say, yo, sorry, leak for soon, man. Alright, somebody say, I'm definitely understand factorization. That's why we do live, guys. Let's go. I could do solution. Functions, the same thing, you know. Kerwin put out a something expected topic, and them that we are cover. So we have 3x squared times negative 10, which that would give us negative 30x squared. So we list all the factors of 30. We know them already, because we do 30 since tonight. 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, 5 times 6. Which one of them can give us 7? Which pair? Is it 1 and 30? No. Because you're going to get 29 or 31. Is it 2 and 15? No. Because you're going to get 13 or 17 when you add. Is it 3 and 10? Let's check it out. 10 take away 3 gives us 7. So yes, it is the right one. You are the father of the child. Let's go, let's go. But we must set it up in such a way, guys, that we get positive. So that means the 10 is positive, right? And then we put our brackets. And we're going to take out the highest common factor again. So think about it. What's the highest number that can go into 3 and 10? If you list the factors of 3, and somebody said they might understand it now. Tell them something about teacher, guys. The reason why I never come live so regular is because I get so popular and so many people have book classes with me. So the LC, the highest common factor, it'll be 1, right? Because 3 is basically a prime number. So we take out 1x and then we divide. So it's 3x squared divided by 1x, which leaves 3x. 10x divided by 1x leave 10. Alright, we drop a minus now, because the minus is here. What's the highest common factor? 1 again. Now we have negative 3. Let me show that step here, guys. It's negative 3x, because sometimes students mess up the sign, you know. And have 3x minus 10 in the bracket when you have to have the same sign in the bracket. So let me show you that. What we do now is dividing negative 3x by negative 1. Negative cancel negative. 1 into 3x, 3x. Same thing for this one. Negative 10 divided by negative 1, which is this right here. Negative cancel negative, so we get plus 10. So you can't stop when you try and get to the marks tomorrow. Never. Never, never, never. Amen. And then we have 3x plus 10. Guys, I don't have to do a relax. Everybody a pass. And then x minus 1, which gives us our answer. You notice how I do my life, guys? One at a time. I work with Uno. I now just do question. Dial and say, dial. Alright, so 10 minus 3 gives us 7. So guys, remember you must get this something there. Tuggish, big up man, big up. Alright, 10 so we are not cookish. Zane say me rate your teaching, sir. Me rate your learning too. Cause you guys are learn. That is it, guys. That is it. On to the functions. 1-1 we are kill them. Angola. Big up my brother in Africa. See the guys, Angola. Big up man. Guys, I them thing only for a screenshot I make could play them tomorrow and I make the youth them know so there's hope for them and them thing there. I don't know if you do screenshot something though. Screen recording and so. But me love to see the different countries. One world, you know guys. One world. Alright, somebody has said one more. But guys, we could touch the functions. You can always watch the playback, man. And that me like when you come live and people are get it, you know. Antigua and Bermuda, big up. Turkey 7 funny bad. No man, I don't like me I tell. The use them a last hope, you know, because everybody thinks are scamming alone. Education can give you all the things, man. Big up to the people them who set the trend on YouTube in the Caribbean. Man like Mr. Terry. Big up yourself. Delimat from Jamaica, big up yourself. Kerwin, get to meet him in a real life, big up yourself. Hopefully more teachers can come, guys. More teachers, the better. Alright? So I'm going to try some functions now. F -2. Work out that, guys. And then work out G 1. Let's go. Work with your work and give me your drift. Jamaica, big up yourself. Yeah, Dijon, you can buy the beast, man. Big up Gaming King Jr., yeah, man. Somebody say explain the x minus 1. Oh! The inverse attack. Yeah, man, the inverse I go, man. Alright, you're going to learn it today, guys. Just as how we learn the next one, we are going to learn it. Maths can buy the beast, you know. Guys, the beast soon come out, man. Anytime when you see me done a little project come here work on, when I go see real beast. When I go see say teacher better than scammer. When you wait little. Somebody say maths can help scam. Me don't know about that. Me not say that, guys. Me not talk about no scamming thing. Me talk about work legitimate money and buy the beast and scale upon the tool. Maths can give more than what them get for them little lion. Maths can make you get the dragon with spitfire. And anybody want to buy me no liquor? So me drink ya. And them liquor me drink. Spitfire, dragon. So you can tag dragon and make them see say me promote them thing. Alright, answer now guys. This normally work 1 marks. Get 1 and -1. Alright, let's go. So what we do is substitute 1, -2 in the formula. So anywhere we see x, we're gonna put -2. The bracket means to multiply. So 3 times 2, -6 plus 5, which gives us -1. Alright. So f -2 would give us -1. Next up, we have G1. So anywhere we see x, we're going to put 1. So it's 2, 1, minus 1. 2 ones, 2, minus 1, 1. Somebody tag Dragon and make them come and make them ambassador. Over 10,000 people on the live and I introduce them to the Dragon. Alright, we can go complex now, guys. We can go complex. These are the easy type, right? They normally give that to give 1 mark, build your confidence. Or them can give you 1 like this. Them can say f of x is equal to x squared minus x minus 1. Watch people get this wrong. Watch people get this wrong now. Work out f negative 1, guys. Watch people get this wrong. Look for different answers. Somebody just watch the comment section. X squared minus x minus 1. What's the value of x? After this, guys, we'll show you how to combine the function. And then we'll do the inverse of the function. And then we move on to the matrices. Alright, let's go, guys. So, me see 1, me see negative 3, me see negative 3, me see negative 1, me see negative 2, me see 1. Somebody say 1 or 2, somebody say negative 382. That's not possible, though. Negative 1. It can't be negative 183, guys. What do I say? The John say positive 1, Gamer say 1, somebody say 3, Tajay say 1. Alright, let's go. You see how many different answer, guys? So anywhere we see x, we're gonna put negative 1. So negative 1 squared. Put back the minus. X is negative 1, we put the 1 there. Minus 1. Negative times negative, positive. Negative times that, positive 1. So it's 2 minus 1, which is 1. Tell them so now get it wrong, you know, guys. These are tricky. You must put back the negative, alright? So, Range get it, Salos got it, Dijon as well. Robin. Somebody said that's soft man, sir. Guys, you know, I always say that. And the person will say that, you know, see you put 1, you know. Next one, guys, same equation, but this time we're going to put positive 1. We have to start from soft and then we go complex. Let's go. Do it for positive 1. Can we take 1 minute and do it? What's the answer now, guys? Me say 1, me say -1, me say -2. Timmy say -1. Why somebody say 150? There's no way we can get 150, guys. Or I joke the person on me. Guys, tomorrow exam, we can't run a joke no more. Alright, let's put, anywhere we see x, we're going to put 1. So it's 1 square minus 1 minus 1. So remember it's positive 1, but there's a minus there. So 1 square, that's 1 minus 1 minus 1. Which gives us 1 minus 2, which is -1. Let me see what I go on. Who get that? Somebody said 3. Or people I get 3. I don't know how them get the 3, guys. But let us look at combining some functions. Find fg -2 and gf -1. Let's start off simple. F of x equal 3x plus 5, g of x equal 4x minus 3. Alright, guys, to combine the function, we put the last function first. So like our fg, we put g first. Somebody got 48. Somebody say fg at 20. fg at 11. -1, 35. fg equal 20. Alright, let's go. So first, guys, you have to write back g. Now g says 4x minus 3. Now let me explain real quick how easy it is. This is our x in f. Now f says 3x plus 5. And then we expand our bracket. 3 times 4, 12x. 3 times negative 3, negative 9. And we have a plus 5. So all we have to do, work it out now. So it's 12x minus 4. But remember, we're supposed to plug negative 2. So it's 12 times minus 2 minus 4. 12 times negative 2, that's negative 28 minus 4. No, 24 minus 4, which gives us negative 28. I did see 28. Let me check if it was negative 28. Yeah, it's the negative is there. Alright, so somebody said GF equals 7. So we write back F first. Now F says 3x plus 5. So I can write back F, which is 3x plus 5. And then now we're going to write G, and G says 4x minus 3. So see it there? This is our x, right? 4 times 3, that's 12. 4 times 5, 20. And then we minus the 3. So this gives us 12x plus 17. Because 20 take away 3, give us 17. So now we're going to plug negative 1. So it's 12 times negative 1 plus 7, which gives us negative 12 plus 17. Why am I say that? So negative 12 plus 17, that will look like positive 5 to me now. 4 3 is 12, 4 5 20, minus the 3, yeah. So I'm getting 5 as my answer. I think somebody was saying it's 7. Let me just step back and look if all the steps were corrected. So we write back f first. Now f is 3x plus 5. And then we write back 4x minus 3. So 4 3s, 12. 4 5, 20. Take away the 3, you get 17. 12 times this, negative 12 plus the 17. 5 plus 12 gives us 17. So the difference is 5. I'm not sure how you got this 7, guys, but I think I got 5. One more. Find FG negative 1 and GF negative 4. Let's see if we can get those, guys. Let's go. 3 minutes to do both of them. Alright, we see FG equal negative 3. Let's go, guys. Let's go. All right. Yeah, guys, that's true. We have to put a little speed in it. So FG, write back G first, which is 4x plus 9. All right. F says x minus 8, so we just minus 8. Because this is our x, right? So that'll be 4x, 9 minus 8, that's positive 1. And then we plug negative 1 now, so it's 4 times negative 1 plus 1, which gives negative 4 plus 1, which is negative 3. For GF now, f is the last function, so we're going to write back all of f, which x minus 8, put that in bracket. This is our x in f in G. So 4x plus 9, 4 times x, 4x, 4 times 8, negative 32 plus 9. So this is going to give us 4x. 1 is negative, 1 is positive. We have to subtract. Difference is what? 23. And then we know what to do. Anywhere we see x, we're going to put negative 4. 4, 4, 16. Both of them negative, so we add. That gives us some 9. 9 there, so. And 39. Alright, we see positive 39. Somebody said 3 and 25. I'm not sure, guys, how you got the 3 and the 25. Simone Thompson, you got both of them. Vlog say, understand. Dijon all say easy. Alright, gamer say me gonna sleep. I'll come back later. Alright. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I can look at the inverse now. We have f of x equal 3x plus 5. What's the inverse of f? G of x is equal to 6x plus 4 over 8. What's the inverse of g? Match up these two, guys. Practice your practice. So remember, next you have matrices. Let's go, guys. Don't forget to like the video so more people can come on at early time now. No. Just 8:33 Jamaica time, 9:33 Trinidad time. Early time this, guys. Early time. Matrices next, alright? Let's go, let's go. What you guys got for the inverse? No, you can't. I don't think you can use the calculator, you know. I don't know about the calculator part, guys. Yeah, matrices next, guys. Alright, let's go. So what we do now, we change the function to y. I'm going to do it the long way first. Y is equal to 3x plus 5. And then we interchange x for y and y for x. So that equals 3y plus 5, right? Now we're going to make y the subject. So guess what? We have to get rid of this plus 5 by taking the inverse. So because we have plus 5, we minus 5. So anything we do to one side, we do to the next side. So this becomes 0. And then now we take the opposite of multiplying. So we divide by 3. So the inverse of f would be x minus 5 over 3. And guys, you can look at it like inspection. First, you say x minus 5, because you have to take the opposite. Because it's a times, you divide. Right, let's look at g now. We change the function to y as well. So y is equal to 6x plus 4 over 8. Right? We interchange x for y and y for x. So anywhere x is, we're going to put y. Anywhere y is, we're going to put x. Alright, we're going to do the same thing again, which is to solve for x. So we multiply by the 8, because we want to get rid of the 8. So we have 8x equals 6y plus 4. Notice, guys, the opposite of division, multiplication, right? And then now we have plus 4. What's the opposite of plus 4? Minus 4. So we have 8x minus 4 is equal to 6y. And the last step is to divide by 6. Could do one more quickly. So the inverse of g is 8x minus 4 over 6. And guys, remember, you can look at it and know. This divide, so you time. So it's 8x. This a plus, so you minus. This a divide, times, so you divide. So 8x minus 4 over 6. You do it by inspection. Somebody say me I move fast. Oh Lord. But guys, me I talk this step as me go along, you know. Alright, I'm going to try to go a little bit slower. Oh Lord. I wonder if I'm tired or tired. Somebody said the academy don't like one. Hello, I'm calling from the maker. Alright guys, look and see if we can do that. Some persons are saying I'm moving slow. Guys, you know why I move a little bit fast? It's supposed to be revision, you know. But I realize that some persons like they can't do it at all. So we have a little challenge there. Alright, we're going to go one here slow. Find the inverse of f. Let's go, let's go. Remember we have to touch matrices and some other topics, you know, guys. So we don't really want to stick to one topic. The more topic you know, the better for you. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Who tired, go rest and come back. But the work have to go on, guys. The work have to go on. 1 mark can be the difference between grade 1 and grade 2. I know it's a little bit later in Trinidad and some countries, but 8 o'clock not bad. Alright, so let me see 8x plus 9 over 7. Alright. Let me see 9 plus 8x over 7. Let me see 7x plus 9. More and more people are coming and seeing me, you know, guys. This is a good look. Alright, so we change the function to y. So it's y is equal to 7x minus 9 over 8. Right? We interchange x for y and y for x, so that's 7y minus 9 over 8. Alright, we're solving for y now, so we have to get rid of the 8, then the 9, then the 7. Now we divide it by the 8, so we times. I see people get it already, very good. So we have 8x equals 7y minus 9. What's the opposite of minus 9? For those persons who are saying I'm moving a bit fast. If you have x minus 9, what's the opposite of minus 9? To plus 9, right? Yeah. So you add 9 to both sides. So we have 8x plus 9 equal 7y. And the final step, we divide by 7. So you guys are correct. The inverse of f, why do I have g? The inverse of f is equal to 8x plus 9 over 7. Alright, so guys, I'm going to show you the hardest one you can get as inverse. The hardest one. Let's see if we can do one of those. I did one in my class today. Quite a few persons were able to get it. Some persons did not quite get it. Let me see if we can mix stuff. And thanks to the persons who are teaching in the comment section. Yeah, I love that, guys. People are texting and say, you know, tag people and correct people and all of these things. Because so many things that I can't see, guys. So I love that. Thank you guys so much for that. So guys, let me show you the more difficult one. Somebody is actually begging for it in the comment section. I didn't even see it. So as I'm ready, the person will beg feed. So this is one of the more complex one. You can ever book up one. Now I'm going to use the same tool. Let me use a different letter, number. Find the inverse of g for this, guys. 2x plus 5 over 7 minus 3x. Let's go, guys. Hit the like button if you're just coming on. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let me solve this one for you. 1 more minute. 1 minute to solution. One more minute to solution. Let's go. So, I see 7x minus 3xy over 5. Remember, we are solving for y, so y can't have the answer. Anne-Marie Barrett says sine, cosine rule. Somebody said I'm stuck. Alright, listen, guys, let me do this for you. What we're going to do, I'm going to do this one and then you guys do the next one. So, what we do, we change the function to y as usual. So, we have 2x plus 5 over 7 minus 3x. So, next we interchange x, y, and y for x. So, anywhere y is, we're going to put x. Anywhere x is, we're going to put the y. So, it's going to be 7 minus 3y. So, guess what, guys? The first thing we need to do is to get rid of the denominator. So, you see the 7 minus 3y? That's what we're going to get rid of first. So, what we do, we multiply by all of this. So, it's 7 minus 3y. Remember, anything you do to one side, you do to the next side. And that is equal to 2y plus 5. So the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to do it same place there. So I'm going to expand the bracket. So I'm going to multiply each by x. So x times 7, that's 7x. X times negative 3y will give us negative 3xy. And this is equal to 2y plus 5. So all I did was just expand the bracket. X times 7, 7x. X times that, negative 7xy. Let us rewrite it up here so now, so you guys can see it clear. I'm going to write back the same thing that I have here, which is 7x minus 3y equal to 2y plus the 5. Oh, I left off the x. Alright, so let's go now, guys. So what it is now, we need to get both the y terms together. Alright, so let's do that. So we have 7x minus 3xy. This is positive 2y, so we're going to subtract 2y from both sides, and that equals positive 5. The next thing we need to do, we want to get y by itself, so we have to get rid of the 7x here. So we're going to take the opposite of 7x, which is to minus 7x from both sides. So we're going to have with negative 3xy minus 2y equal to 5. Because we minus this, we have to minus it here, so it's 7, 5 minus 7x. The next thing now, we're going to factor out the y. So we put our negative and y, right? Y is common to both. Negative into negative, leave positive, so that leaves positive 3x. And negative into negative, that gives us positive 2. And then we have 5 minus 7x. So now we need to get rid of all of this, 3x plus 2, by dividing. The opposite of multiplication is dividing. So our final answer would be 5 minus 7x over 3x plus 2. 4 marks you'll get for that in the examination. Like the video, guys. Like the video. You know me like that. Like the video so more people can come on. Guys, that no must come. It no must come. But if it come, you should be able to get it. One more, guys. Let's see if we can do a little better on it. Alright. This is the most difficult inverse function in my opinion. We have to do it step by step, guys. You have to do it step by step. Alright, let's say we have f of x is equal to 8x plus 5, and we have 7x minus 3. Find the inverse of f for me, please. Let's go, let's go. Work where I work, guys. I'm not chicken we are doing. So that's 8x plus 5 divided by 7x minus 3. Somebody said I'm cleaning the board too fast. So sorry about that. No, I'm not getting no topics. I'm not getting no topic. I haven't got the topics, guys. The closest we got, Kerwin predictions. That's the closest. But I personally, I haven't. Remember, CXC don't give out the topics them, you know. Only a COVID them do that. Let's go, guys. Let's go. All the best to everyone tomorrow. I'm doing my part to help as many persons as I can. You guys just do your part. Share the video. Like the video and all of that. Alright, that's all I ask. Let's go, guys. 1 more minute to exam. One more exam, 1 more minute to solution. Let's go, let's go. Why it's English? Stop watching. It's foolishness. Man, don't hear that. Let's go, guys. 30 seconds to solution. Who finished? Who finished? Alright, solution time now, guys. Let's go, let's go. Alright, so guys, let me see what the answers are saying. 7x, 5 minus 7x, 3x over 8. Y equal 5 plus 3x, 7x minus 8. So that is consistent. Faith and strong. Yeah, man, yeah, man. Alright, yeah, what the faith, guys? Yeah, man, we have to do that. So we change the function to y. So y is equal to 8x plus 5 over marker done, you know, guys. When you done a marker already, big up on yourself. What do you mean? You can't say when you done a marker. Let me get a new marker there, guys. Hold on there. You can't say when you done a marker. Alright. So that's the first step, and then we interchange xy and y for x. So x is equal to 8y plus 5 over 7x minus, no, y for there. So guys, the marker here are run because I turn it up like that. I turn it down. Hold on it. I deliberately do it because I want it to drain down, because some of them never did a marker in. So we just kind of about this. So this is supposed to be 7y minus the 3, right? So we're going to multiply by all of this because we need to get rid of the denominator. So we multiply throughout. So it's going to be x times, why am I put times? X bracket 7y minus 3, and that's equal to 8y plus 5. So we expand our bracket now. X times 7y, that's going to give us 7xy. X times negative 3 is going to give us negative 3x, and that equal to 8y plus 5. But remember, we need to group the y terms, right? So I'll bring over the y terms. So it's going to be 7, let me write about this. So we have 7xy minus 3x equal 8y plus 5. So we need all our x's together, right? We group up with x them. So we have 7xy minus 8y, because this is a positive, minus 3x equal positive 5. And then we can take it from there now, right? We need to get rid of this 3x because we want y by itself. So we have xy minus 8y. The opposite of minus would be plus. So it's going to be 5 plus 3x. I did saw that in the answer. And then we factor out the y now. So y, we should have 7x minus 8 over, and then we divide by 7x minus 8. So this gives us 7x minus 8. So I did saw that as the answer. 5 plus 3x over 7x minus 8. Why them gonna leak the paper again, guys? Them not do that, man. Them not do that. Alright, so many persons got the answers. Persons like 1010. That boy Damien, some persons. Somebody say me I move fast. Guys, the thing is, I don't know. Me I talk while me I do it. So you have to concentrate fully. Somebody said I want the nasty. Alright, so we could do one more, guys, and then we go to the matrices. What time you guys are going to bed? Let's go, let's go. We don't have no bedtime, guys. I don't have to decide. Oh, somebody said me I have to go too fast, Guys, you can't take screenshot, It's because me expect say you do it for yourself. And yeah, make a little correction as we go along. But I guess some persons are wait till me do the solution. You're not going to improve, so guys. You have to try it. Alright? You have to try it, man. One more. Somebody say one more and then we'll move on to the matrices. So let's say we have g of x is equal to different numbers, 9x plus 3 over 7x plus 6. Find g inverse. Let's go, guys. We must can match up that one here. What do you guys think? Mark a leak out and turn them down, Let's stop it. Sometimes I'm not right. Oh shoot, me not see it. What on there, guys? Oh boy. Alright, so we have g of x is equal to 9x plus 3 divided by 7x plus 6. You are passing in God's name, guys. In God's name. Nine o'clock now, guys. 10 o'clock Trinidad time, Guyana time. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Guys, make sure you subscribe so tomorrow you can get the notification as we go on. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Hit the like button if you're just joining as well. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Solution time. And we need to get some matrices in there. Somebody said, I'm going to kill you with maths. No, man. We're not going to kill you, man. We're going to give you maths what we know. So y is equal to 9x plus 3 over 7x plus 6. Alright, we interchange x to y and y for x. Alright? So guys, all I did was just change the function to y. So those persons who are saying I'm going fast, they have to listen meanwhile. So I change the function to y. Next, we interchange x to y and y for x. So we interchange now. I will swap the position of x and y. Just write back everything as is, right? But instead of the x, we put y. That's all I did, right? I try to go as slow as possible, guys, so persons can get the full understanding. So next, we're going to multiply by the denominator. Now the denominator is 7y plus 6. So we're going to divide by all of this. So we times by this because we're dividing. We times everything by this. So this cancels this. But remember, anything you do to one side, you have to do to the next side. Early time now, guys. Early time now. Expand the bracket now. So those persons saying I'm moving a bit fast, we're going to expand the brackets. So it's going to be x times 7y and x times 6. So x times 7x would give us 7xy. X times 6 is going to give us 6x. And all of this is equal to 9y plus 3. I'm going to rewrite this exactly as is up here. So I'm not change nothing. So we have 7xy plus 6x. And that must equal to 9y plus 3. So what we're going to do now, guys, we're going to bring this 9y with this 7x. Right? So we're going to bring all the y terms together, because that's why we are on one side and we're on the numbers on the next side. So let's go. But what we have to remember, this is a positive y. So we have to take the inverse, which is minus 9y. So we minus 9y from both sides. We still have the 6x, but over here we have 3. Make a process, guys. See it? All we did was subtract 9 from both sides because we want to get the y by itself. Next, we need to get rid of this plus 6x because we don't want an x or y there. We just want x by itself, right? So what we do, we take the inverse, which is to minus 6x. So we have 6, 7xy minus 9y equal to 3. Because we minus 6x here, we're going to minus 6x there. Remember, it's an equation. Anything you do to one side, you have to do to the next side. So the next thing you need to do now is to factor out the y. So we have y here, and then we divide y into 7xy, that would leave 7x. Y into this would leave minus 9. So remember, I don't want to get y by itself. Now we have y by itself. So now that we have y by itself, we get rid of this, which is to divide by 7x minus 9. Tell me so I want to get this now, please. And we're going to move on to the matrices now. It's a little bit later in Trinidad and those places. It's film 10 o'clock. Yeah, I would agree. CX is a big hater, guys. I don't know what they have against you guys, honestly. But let us look at some matrices. To start off simple. Can I clear off over this, guys? First thing I want you guys to do, the b minus a. First easy one. We're not going to do much of that, guys. Alright? Those are the easy ones. We're not going to do much of that. Let's go, let's go. So the b minus 8. Look how much people there, guys. You don't like the video now, please. Somebody say bearings. Yeah, man, definitely, guys, we can do it. All right, so Mr. 7, -3, -9, -7. As I say, guys, we now spend a long time on this. It's not if a bust with brain, right? Nice and easy. We just have to do it kind of necessary, but I don't know if it's stress over. So we'll put B at the front, right? So it's going to be 6. Oh, wrong marker, wrong marker. It's going to be 6. Wrong marker again. Mark 1. So 6, 0. 0 not even did this, so Mr. Bean. So this is a -4, 2. And minus -1, +3, 5, and 9. So we could group the corresponding now. So it's 6 minus -1, 0 minus 3, -4 minus 5, and 2 minus 9. This becomes positive, and then 6 plus 1 is 7, 0 minus 3, that's -3, -9, and -7. Alright? So that's very easy, guys. That's very easy. Yeah, I agree. So let us do a scalar now, because we're not itching now. We just have work. Find 2b minus 3c. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Big up to all the people on the live. Big up your parents. Much love. Big up to all the hardworking people. Who don't subscribe it, guys, you know what to do. Subscribe so you can whenever I come on back, alright? Let's go, let's go. Who finish? Who finish? 2b minus 3c. What's the answer? Let's go, guys, let's go. Alright, let's answer that come in. I see 10, 21, 1 and 2. Jada Miller says step in it. Let's go. Yeah, man, me a time on the guys. So we have 2 times B. So it's 2 times everything in a B, right? Very easy. Minus 3 times C. So we are going to multiply everything. This is called a scalar. So we're going to multiply by 2. 2 times 7, negative 14. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 5, 10. That's all we're doing, guys. 2 times 4, 8. Put back a minus, multiply by 3. 3 8s, 24. 3 times 5, 15. 3 3s, 9. 3 2s, 6. Now, this is where it gets a little bit spooky. We're going to group the like term. So it's negative 14 minus 24. 6 minus 15. 10 minus 9. And then 8 minus 6. So we have to group the like terms. Group the position, guys. So this becomes a plus. So this becomes 10. We'll get that for 10 in the first one. This becomes a plus now. 2 negative. So this becomes 21. 10 minus 9 is 1. 8 minus 6, 2. So did anybody get 10? Did anybody get 10, 21, 12, 10, 1, 2? Yeah. Shamika Guthrie got it. Somebody said I got it. That me get, sir. I love it. I love it. I love it, guys. I love it. Guys, the live end when you go to your bed. If you know your body work and you can't go wake up tomorrow, go to your bed. If you know your body is strong and so, and you can stay up late, it's up to you guys. You know your body work. But only thing, make sure say you subscribe. So if you're an early waker, you can join me tomorrow morning again. 9 o'clock exam. Do your best, guys. Do your best. Alright, next one. We have A is equal to 3, 5, 2, 1. B equal 0, 4, 6, 7. What is A times B? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Big up to everybody, guys. I'm at 29,999 subscribers. Next person that subscribe, you are my 30,000 subscriber. Big up, big up, big up, big up. Wow. Awesome, awesome. Somebody said me just slow. Alright, big up. So 30,000 subscribers with it. Imagine that. Pandy Live, right? Big up, guys. Thanks so much. Much appreciated. Alright, so let's go, guys. We have A times B. So we're going to multiply row by column. Yeah, man. Big up, guys. Big up to everybody. Yeah, man. 30K. Wow. Guys, my dream was to get to 1,000. Because I know people hate maths. So when I say I did 30,000 in 2 years, trust me, I'm grateful. I'm not lie to you. I'm excited. So we have 3, 5, 2, 1. Remember, I used to have like 3 views from 3 videos. Jaja, that's why I say to you guys, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Remember me telling that. Me never give up. 3 views from 3 videos. And I still never give up. Days on top of days that I still a post video. Alright, so we're going to multiply row by column. So this is row 1, this is row 2, this is column 1, this is column 2. Oh, by the way, guys, we must be able to name the columns. We must be able to identify the number of rows versus the number of columns. Alright? A real thing me tell about Chef. Post 3 videos and me get 3 views. The whole of them. So we have 3 times 0, which is 0. 5 times 6, 30. This is for the row 1, column 1. That's the first one. Row 1, column 1. So we're done with row 1, column 1. We are move on to row 1, column 2 now. So we are going to use the 3 and 5 multiplied by the 4 and 7. Now 3 times 4 is 12. 5 times 7, 35. See how easy? So row 1 control the top. This is row 1, column 2. I can look for row 2 now, column 1. So 2 times 0, 0. 1 times 6, 6. Guys, I hope it a process, you know. Hope it a process, alright? And then we have 2 times 4, which is 8. 1 times 7, 7. Tell me so when you get this, please. Tell me so the answer is 30, 47, 6 and 15. Who got that? Alright, somebody say, I got it. Well done. So guys, you know what we're going to do now? We're going to try one with a negative because that's what gets students out. We got my son, Lenox Bennett. It's up to everybody who helped me. If you subscribe, you literally help me, guys. So guys, I could look for the next one. Just go and believe, guys. Go and put in the work. Alright, somebody said me get it the second try. Somebody said me just subscribe. Thanks a lot, thanks a lot. Somebody said me finally get it. Abby said finally. Angle it, triangle it. Alright. Good job, guys, good job. One more with the negative now, alright? And we are going to look on the inverse, you know. We can't do the life and we don't look on the inverse. We can't go better and we don't do inverse. We could do our next one. We are calling that one here P and Q. We don't put no bag of negative, but we have put couple in there. Just to see where we are. Alright guys, do P times Q. Hope you guys can see that. Yeah, do P times Q. All I want to subscribe. Just know say if you subscribe, yes. I'm a joke thing, yes. A real thing, yes. Put in the work. Just because you get popular, we don't come to regular again. Because we have B across now, you know. Oh, we still care about the kids them, still. P times Q, guys. Let's see what you guys get. 1 more minute to solution. 1 more minute. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. 30 seconds to solution. Alright, solution time now, guys. Solution times. It's now 10:30 in Trinidad, 9:30 in Jamaica. Somebody said the column one and models. Everybody get a different answer. So me say negative 750, negative 39, 35. Guys, the answers are really different, you know. 10 got negative 739, 15 positive 13, 5. Francis got negative 7, 15, 39. 10, 13 Guyana as well. So guys, when you think when you can go on the bed 11, those who in Guyana and wake up back. Alright, so let's go, guys. Let's go. So it's P times Q. So write P first, which is negative 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we times it by Q, which is negative 5, 1, negative 6, and 8. So the first one must be in rows. And we now make a mistake with it, right? Column for the second one. Let's go. So row 1, column 1. So this is a column 1, this is a column 2. This is a row 1, this is a row 2. So row 1, column 1 first. Negative 1 times 5, positive 5. Check if you have that, guys. You could do it step by step. So you can find out if you're making a little error. 2 times negative 6, negative 12. Alright, that's the first one. Negative 1 times positive 1, that's negative 1. 2 times 8, 16. On to the next one now. Row 2, control down yourself. 3 times negative 5, negative 15. 4 times negative 6, negative 24. Check if you have that, guys. That's what we're going to be doing for this. Next, we have 3 times 1, which is 3, and 4 times 8, 32. We could do the maths now. 5 take away 12, that's definitely negative 7. The 12 is bigger, so we keep the negative. This one now, negative 1 plus that will give us 15 positive, because the 16 is bigger. Remember, once the signs are different, we subtract and keep the sign of the bigger one. Alright, let's go. Negative and negative, we're going to add them, keep the negative. So that gives 9, 39. So that's negative 39. And this now, 3 plus 2, 35. Some persons got negative 35, I'm not sure how. Negative 7, somebody got 20. I'm not sure where you got the 20. Alright. Guys, you know, see, so we almost reached 1,000 likes. Bombard! Now 1,000 views, you know, almost 1,000 likes. Wow, big up on yourself, man. Big up on yourself. So guys, can we... Alright, take a break there, Marco. Take a little break, man. Guys, you can't watch me, you know, me a whole what I call it now. Used to long hours for teaching maths. On a Sunday, I teach 4 hours straight, you know. 4 different classes, one back to back. Sometimes without breakfast. I don't have much support, you know, guys, but guess what? I'm here doing it for you guys. Know what it is not to have no help. That's why I help so much. One more before I go on. Somebody said they want to move on. I want to do this before we go on. I want you guys to do a square and then we move on. Let's go. 2 minutes for that, guys. 2 minutes. What is a square? Let's go, guys. Let's go. What is a square? And then we move on and somebody requested. Alright, time up now, guys. 2 minutes is up. Let's go. And then we're going to look at the inverse, alright? We can stop 10 o'clock, guys, if we don't want, alright? So, let me see, 4, 25, 64, 9. Yeah, we're going to look at the inverse of the function next. Alright, me see 4, 25, 64, 9. I'll be that, me see. So now, what we do, we write back A, right? Guess what, guys? We have to write back A again. And that's how it goes, how you guys do it. You guys just square the number. 2, 2, 4, 5, 5, 25. Nothing can go so. A row by column. Alright, so 2 times 2, that is 4. 5 times 8, 40. That's the only way you can multiply, guys. 2 times 5, 10. 5 times 3, 15. And we continue like that. 8 times 2, 16. 3 times 8, 24. 8 times 5, 40. 3 3s, 9. We could simplify now. 4 plus that, 44. I did see somebody put the answer here though. 16 plus that, that should be about 40. And then 49. Who got that one? 44, 25, 40. If you got that, please type. Yo, some sample people they find this, you know. I'll be a smiley emoji. Guys, you know sample, you know. Alright, so guys, let's look at the inverse of a function now. Not function, inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. Quickly before we go to that, guys, let us look at how we actually name the matrix. Let's go. Let me do it quickly. This is going to take no longer than 1 minute. I'm going to name them one time and one time only. No joke thing. CXC love ask this. So you have to prepare. Let's name the matrix. First one. Row by column. How many rows? How many columns? Alright, for A, somebody say 1 by 3. You are awesome. 1 row, 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. Alright, cool. Second one, everybody know that. 2 by 2. You can't go wrong with that. Third one, how many rows, how many columns? For C, what's for C, guys? Skunji said 3 by 3. That is correct. So we have 1, 2, 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 columns. So this is a 3 by 3. What about D? How many rows, how many columns? For D now, somebody said 2 by 4. 2 by 4. 2 by 4, 2 by 4. Somebody said 4 by 2. 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Fantana. Sully said 2 by 4 to J. Deandra said I'm lost. Oh, if you lost Deandra, it's row. Row runs from left to right. While column run up and down. Alright? So this is 2 rows. So you guys are correct. Couple people put 4 by 2, but it's 2 rows. You always put the row first and then column. Guys, I'm not going to spend any more time on this. So it's 2. And then you have 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. So take a good look. Take a good look. And then we can proceed to the inverse. Alright? Alright, rows run from left to right. So rows run like this. While column are up and down. So think about column as column in a building. But rows run from left to right. Alright? Let's go again, guys. Let's go again. Inverse now. When I joke thing, you know, yo, when I say me I work. One thing with me, I'm not lazy. So if people support my channel, trust me, guys, they not support a lazy man. I'm telling that straight. So every matrix is in this form. A, B, C, D. To find the inverse of the matrix, this is what we do. We swap A and D We change the sign of B and C, and we will have what we call the determinant, which is 1 over AD minus BC. So this is what we do when we're finding the inverse of the 2 by 2 matrix. So make some sense of it now. Yeah man, I work where I work, guys. I'm not chicken where I jerk. So I could put some numbers in there and show you how easy this thing is and how much marks it value. It value quite a lot of marks, so we have to capitalize on it. So let's say we have A is equal to 3265 and we want to find the inverse of A. So what we do, we find what we call the determinant. So AD minus BC. Remember, this is A, this is B, this is C, right? So it's 3 times 5 minus 2 times 6. 3, 5, 15, 2, 6 is 12. So once we get the 3, we know what to do. This is how we just get. So it's 1 over the determinant, so 1 over 3. We swap the position of them two here, A and D. So 5 go up there, so, while 3 go down there, so. So we have 5 here, 3 here. And then we change the sign of these. So this becomes negative 2 and negative 6. And that would be our answer. Alright? So you get, normally guys, you can get 3 marks with that. Udaya, big up man, big up. Alright? Somebody say, I only know how to count money. May you count money for the rest of your life. This is the inverse, guys. The inverse of the 2 by 2 matrix. I mean, I'm doing a couple for you. Write it down, guys. Write it down so we can proceed, alright? Thanks everybody for coming out, for staying so late, for doing the thing. Thanks to all of you, me get to 30,000 subscribers, which is all of you. All of you. Thank you so much. And remember, tomorrow morning we do it all over again. As you say, guys, we're doing it to the end. We don't carry you halfway. We literally carry you in the exam and put you down and say, do your exam. We now leave your gate. Alright, big up. We want to start 4 o'clock tomorrow morning, guys. But you guys get your rest, alright? You can't watch Mr. Bennett. Anytime you can come on, you come on. What you can do, when you get ready, have your phone in the bathroom, and do your thing. Or you eat your breakfast, Find the inverse of B, guys. Let's see where we are. Let's see if we can crack the 3 marks out of 4 marks here. Type in the answer, guys. Let's go. Work where I work and no chicken with a jerk. Let's go, guys. Let's go. 10 seconds to solution. Alright, solution time, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So what we're gonna do is find the determinant first. We name that joke. And that's AD, so that's 6 times 4 minus 3 times 5. 6 4 is 24, 3 5 15, 5 and that difference of 9, right? So after we get the determinant, guys, we don't have a problem. 1 over 9, and we swap 4 and 6, and we change them here to negative. In the comment section, should I follow that? I could put the negative in there, guys, and make it. Somebody say go faster, this easy. Guys, if we go fast, you say go slow. If we go slow, you say go fast. We can do a negative one now, alright? This is where it gets tricky. Like Mickey. Let's see you guys find the inverse of this now. All L broke loose when the negative in there. Guys, I'm going to show you the identity here. Oh, forget that free 3 marks there. Guys, you just want 3 more likes for 7,000. Not 7,000, 700. Cook one, man. We are cook CXC. We're afraid of it. Let's go. Let's go. So we have 1, -5, 2, -6. 3 more likes, guys, and we get 700 likes. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, man. Respect, guys. Respect. Thanks so much, guys. Thanks so much, guys, for having interest in your work. Somebody said they can't see. Well on, guys. Let me fix that. Let me fix that. Let me fix that. So it's 1, -5, 6, and negative 1, -5, 2, and -6. Guys, why will you come in with that talk about fully cook and then sit there? Every time you see that, you say, when that, since exam starts, when you come up with that, can me never remember that, cook, fully cook. I mean, like them used to say your goose cook, but when you change it and say cook, cooked. You go put yourself, When I go run it in the next generation, guys, when you try to get to the maths and turn in a lawyer and doctor, so when my time to become a doctor, when you can say, boy, so that man help me to turn doctor. I'm gonna give me a bad injection and this. And when I get older, you know, I'm gonna get to replace us. Who want to become a maths teacher? Somebody said then grill. Somebody said we say barbecue. Guys, you know something. You know. Alright, so me see 1 over 4, 6, 5, negative 2 and 1. Somebody said they getting gray here. Guys, maths not so bad, man. Remember, guys, number 1, you have to see fraction, decimal, standard form. You can get all of question 1. Question 2 and so forth, you have to see algebra. And you have to do little consumer arithmetic. You can pass, you know, you get them 2 marks there. Number 3, some form of measurement. That can be a little bit tedious, especially for construction. Yeah. You miss out a couple marks this, but number 4 and so, you can get all of them marks there. The function, you can get all of the function question. Question 5, whether graph or, you know, you can get all of those. 6, 7, the puzzle. You can get them, guys. Once you do good from section 1, you know, you're good, you know. And then now you go around the back and you get all of the matrices. You get some out of the circuit theorem, because I'm afraid of that. And trigonometry. I want to get the vectors. The vectors normally straightforward, you know. Only when it comes with collinear, it's kind of difficult. And all you have to do, find the 2 vector and prove so one is a multiple of the other. That's it, guys. You can do this, man. You can do this. Alright, let's go. So we have AD minus BC. So it's 1 times negative 6. Use a bracket for this one. Minus negative 5 times 2. So you can use a bracket to help you. 1 times that, negative 6 minus 5 times 2, 10. So yeah, you guys were correct. Negative 6 plus 10 will give you the 4. Alright, this is a good look. This is a good look. Yeah, man. So it's 1 over 4 now. We're going to swap 1 and 6. So that's a negative 6, 1. We're going to change the 5 to positive 5 and the 2 to negative 2. Anybody have that? Negative 6, 5, negative 2, and 1. Let's go. Somebody say easy. We like that. Yeah, man, your name gone down in a history book, guys. Alright, so we can leave 10 o'clock. Let me see our time. So we can look at the identity. Let me show you the identity before anything. CXE love give this guys a 3 marks this. It were 3 but a 3 marks. Let me show you how easy it is. All you have to do, show that this is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. Can you show that? So all you need to do is to find the inverse and multiply it by the original. And you get that. Row block, you see it? You see it, row block? Yeah, that is it. Remember, you know, guys, the more you learn, the more you earn. Just remember that. And I mean say it and I don't lie. So let me do that first one here. You're going to prove this. So all you have to do, you have everything to do this already. You know how to multiply, you know to find the inverse. So we could find the inverse. So the inverse would be to find the determinant, which is 3 times 5 minus 1 times 2. Use up a bracket, 3, 5, 15 minus 1 times that, negative 2. So this gives us 1 over, this becomes a plus 1 over 17. So we're going to find the inverse first. So we have 5 go up, swap with that. 3 go right there, so negative 1, we change it to 1, and this we change it to 2. What we're going to be doing now, guys, is to multiply this by this. That's not hard. Because we know if we multiply row by column already. And we know how we're supposed to get this. So we could do that now. 5 times 3, 15. 1 times 2, 2. 5 times negative 1, negative 5. 1 times 5, 5. See how easy? We're done with the top part. Let's look at this one. Negative 2 times 3, negative 6. 3 times 2, positive 6. Negative times negative, positive 2. 3 times 5, 15. Remember what we have to do, guys. We have to bring back the 1 over 17 that we originally got here. So that we are going to divide by. So 15 plus 2, that's 17. Negative 5, 0. Negative that, 0. And then 17. Well, I tell us, just divide 2 up by the 17. So you get 1, 0, 0, 1. Try one, guys. Try one. Make it process first, then you try one. If you're not subscribed yet, I don't know where you wait, man. All you have to do is click the button. That's all you have to do. Don't make the next live miss you. Don't make the next something they miss you. So guys, we still want to go get some rest too, but try one before we go, alright? Yeah man, big up man. Yeah, me know you're tired guys. That's why this is the last one, alright? But guys, let me tell you what you do in English. You find the inverse of the 2 by 2 matrix, which is this, and you times it by this. That's all. So you just find the inverse and times it by what was given. So see there, the original times the inverse. The a minus 1 represent the inverse. So guys, make sure you charge up on the device while you sleep. And tomorrow, alright, somebody said too easy. Big up yourself, Dante. Dante, say I want you to get, you know. Want you to link me and say, sir, I know say I want to get. When time the exam drop, alright? Paper 1, guys, I just say supplementary that, right? Paper 2, our main focus. Try this one, guys. Tell me if you get it in the comment section. So we have b times the inverse of b, and that must equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. CXC love ask you this, you know, 3 marks. You guys know if you solve the simultaneous equation from it? You should. Thanks so much for coming out, guys. You guys get some rest now, alright? After you do that one year, get some rest. Because you can't work when you're tired. If you have any vitamin, take it. Eat some fruits in the morning, orange, ripe banana, you know, them little thing there, grape. Make sure you carry your water. Make sure you wear your favorite shoes. So when you look down on your foot and the mat lift you know, see no ugly boot. Make sure you clean your boot. Don't wear no boot while wear a big bread. Them little something there. Show off your game. Don't wear no shirt if you make you feel hot and flustered. Don't go sleep. Do not go sleep. Too many times students say them take a nap for 5 minutes, and when time then done and the examiner wake them up and say it's time to go. Did you write up your receipt? And them say no. And they say I will wait. And they get 0 because they did nothing. And when they come out of the exam, all them want is food because them sleep till them hungry. So guys, don't do none of that, alright? Just relax and do your exam. You buck up on question 1, you can't do the fraction, you move on to the decimal. You move on to the standard form. You can't do that, you move on again. If you can't do that, you move on again. And you move on, and you move on, and you move on. You must find something that you can do. Alright? Don't stop at one question and say, you did see this panel live, I already do it in a class and you try to remember. To hell with that. More marks around this way you can get. If your shoes are big bread, never wear it, man. Because if you look down upon that, you will get hungry. All that maths gone out of your brain. So guys, just relax and do your thing. Everything will come back to you. Once you relax, everything will come back to you. Alright? Or if one day you play free fire and the teacher teach you never pay attention, if you relax, you can go back to that day, your memory. Because your brain is better than a supercomputer, guys. Remember me tell you that. Watch them allow. Come on. Guys, you have a sick question where you can do. And you just do it and do it and do it. That's all. Yeah, man, and you do it. Alright, we can go through this now, guys, and we can get some rest, and me can get some rest as well. So we find the determinant AD minus BC. So that is 2 times negative 3 minus 1 times negative 4. Alright, so 2 times 3, negative 6. Put with minus 1 times negative 4, negative 4. So guys, if you notice, we're going to get negative 6 plus 4. But because the 6 is bigger, we get negative 2. So x, the determinant is going to be negative 2. So we can match it up. So it's 1 over negative 2. And we're going to times this now. We swap this. So negative 3 come up here, so 2 go there, so negative 1, positive 4. Times the original, which is 2, 1, negative 4, negative 3. I will leave a negative, but guess what? We can multiply, right? Let's go. Negative 3 times 2, negative 6. Negative 1 times that, positive 4. We're done with row 1, column 1. Next one, negative 3 times 1, negative 3. Negative 1 times that, positive 3. So you see you get the 0 there, so? Alright, cool. 4 times 2 now. 4 times 2, 8. 2 times negative 4, negative 8. And the final one, 4 times 1, that is 4. 2 times that, negative 6. And of course, we put 1 over negative 2. So this gives negative 2, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. 4 minus 6, negative 2. And we know the rest already. We divide through by negative that, and we get this. And we get 4 marks. This is our 4, sure 4 marks I will get, guys. If it come, which I think they will bring it. Just relax, guys. Get some rest, and tomorrow we'll link up, alright? Thanks for coming out. Make sure you subscribe, guys, before we go. Turn on your notification. Put it on all. That means that all messages you want to hear. Thanks for getting me up to 30K, guys. Much appreciated. Guys, remember you can always watch the other video, let me know. Oh, you're from Trinidad. Alright. Big up, Slimmy. If I Trinidad time, we are start from about 3 o'clock. But guys, we don't sleep, man. Sleep. Somebody say we cook. Bamba. I be a cookie bit no matter about. Someone now go turn chef. We don't cook nothing, guys. We don't cook nothing, man. We're good to go. Guys, if you want vector algebra, I post some video on that. So before you go your bed, you can go and pre that, not a problem. Thanks to all who helped me to reach over 30k. And guys, if you know the city and guilds, as CXC done, we start to the city and guilds marathon and something. So if you can't pass one, you pass the next one. But you will pass too, you will pass. So take care guys, take care. I'm going to end the live now. Make sure you subscribe, get some rest. We're there for 3 hours and 33 minutes. See, somebody say Kerwin is live now. So guys, if you're not tired, you can go over there now, alright? So little more guys, take care. Them say Kerwin live now. Just type in KERWINSPRINGER. So later guys, I start early man. I want to wake up about 4 o'clock, 4 or 5 o'clock, them time there. Oh, you can't understand in language. Alright. But still check it out, man. Still check it out. Dawkins, we work the solution. We work the solution already. The solution is on the board now, right? Somebody said they don't speak Trinidad. English they speak, they don't go teach a little bit, the voice a little bit different. They pronounce the word a little bit different, but me understand them. So 4 o'clock in the morning, guys. But if you don't wake up 4, me normally wake up 5, alright? Or 4:30 thereabout. So I get some rest now. You guys get some rest as well. So go and go take in little what you can take in. Yeah man, bye Abby, bye guys. Make sure you subscribe. Take care guys. Alright, I'm out, no doubt. I'll see you guys in another video.